Hello and welcome to my channel. This is part 4 of my closet cleanout slash declutter series. As you can see, this is my linen closet. It is probably the smallest closet that I have here in my apartment. We just keep towels, sheets, comforters in this closet along with extra toilet paper or Kleenexes, and then at the very bottom I have some holiday items, like if you can kind of see down there, that's our Christmas tree. And then I keep all of my decorations for Halloween, Valentine's Day, Christmas, all of that down in that little area. If you're new here, my name is Laura, and I'm a single mom to my daughter who is 4.5, and I also work full time. I got the idea to make these videos to help keep me motivated, and I'm hoping to motivate other people to get the hard things done around your home, whether it's cleaning out a closet, cleaning your kitchen, just getting those things done that kind of sit and are hard to get started with. The last few months, I've just kind of been feeling a little bit depressed and kind of in a rut. I don't know. I know it's July right now, but I don't know if it was because of we were coming out of winter. I know there's a lot of seasonal depression, and that's something that I felt like maybe I struggled with a little bit this year. Leading up until Christmas can be like a really exciting time because you have the holidays, but I feel like once those are over, it can be a little bit harder to want to get things done. So now I'm feeling a lot more motivated, and I'm super excited to continue making these videos for myself and for anyone else who wants to be motivated to get those spaces clean. If you want, you can comment below, and I could do like a get to know me video, or if there's any information you want to know or any other videos you want me to do, please let me know in the comments below. So as you can see, I just took out all the items in the closet, just got everything out of there, still working on the bottom, and there was so much stuff in here. You can't really see it on camera, but it's kind of off on the side, and I'll probably show it a little bit later, but I feel like it's just nice to get everything out. I did put some sheets up at the top that I end up taking out so that I can just get everything really clean and organized how I want it. And then I just went in. It's a really super tiny space, but I just wanted to vacuum. There were some little silver pieces from the Christmas tree that had gotten on the floor, so I wanted to make sure I got that vacuumed up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finish getting everything out. And I have some spray with a paper towel. I think I got the spray from Target, and I do not like the scent. It's really kind of gross, but it's supposed to be like an antibacterial spray. And I don't know what it is about the paint that they use in these places, but I just feel like I cannot get this clean. It just feels like it doesn't really do a whole lot. Even like wipes, like Clorox wipes, still don't seem to get it very clean, but I was just doing my best here and trying to get it clean and see, how it will turn out. It didn't seem super dusty, which was nice, but I just felt better with wiping it down a little bit to get it clean. Here is all of the stuff that I took out of the closet. It looks like a lot, and it felt like a lot to put all of that stuff back. So as you can see now, I'm just reorganizing the closet and trying to make things look better than what they did before. This is what the closet looks like after everything is put back and organized. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.